What's up, everybody? How you doing today? MJ coming at you, and today I want to tell you about three wireless earbuds that I actually did a lot of tests on them, and I have concluded that is one champion among these three wireless earbuds. Now, I'm not saying everyone is here is a budget, but compared to the quality for the price, I would say Nenka here is one of the best wireless earbuds ever created, like till now actually, since I actually used or actually tested Samsung on my channel, Samsung Buds, plus, and we have the Motorola and we have the Xiaomi Mi Buds. These are the cheapest ones. Of course, it's very small, tiny, very cheap. It doesn't have USB Type C. It does have the USB, the old school USB, as opposed also the as well. I mean, for the Motorola, we have the old school USB. But when you're talking about the price, yeah, these two are cutting the price for 50%, but you're paying for nothing because I mean, with all due respect to these two companies, these two products are not as good as, for example, the Nenka product here. Yes, you pay a little bit more from here, but you're actually getting a lot, a lot. I'm talking about a lot. So number one, with the Nenka, you have a USB Type C, which is great, and you have a case that charges a lot faster, multiple times. You have LED light, and you have a very well designed earbuds here, similar to the Apple earbuds, so it's very comfortable using it. And also it has a touch sensor on the right side for sliding and touching, as well on the left side. So we have multiple areas where you can actually explore in this headphones, and you have the case that's actually very nice. Now let's talk about sound quality, which is what you care about more. You may care about more two categories you care about. One of them is how comfortable in your ear while you are wearing them. Number one. Number two, how good the sound is on calls and playing music. So these two aspects are your like 80% of you caring about having a wireless charger, right? I believe this is it. Like how good it is when it comes to the calls, sound quality, right? And how comfortable it is for you when you wear it, so it doesn't bother you a lot, as well as battery life. Now, combining all these aspects, okay, and putting the price there, I would say Samsung, Huawei, and all the other manufacturing, Nenka, this company, Nenka, was able to actually achieve a great success because number one, they nailed the battery life. It has a great battery life. Number two, they nailed the comfortability. It's very comfortable in your ears. Doesn't fall out. Fits very nice. Number three, the sound quality is epic. You know, you're getting the best of the best. The best sound codecs, you can find it here, and you're not gonna find any other earbuds that support that because it has a Snapdragon processor inside, specifically for the wireless earbuds. And this is very rare. You don't find it here, but this is the newest version. Also, it has a Bluetooth 5.2, which is very great when it comes to the range and quality. I would say go for the Nenka if you actually want to buy a wireless earbuds that could last with you. The only downside I would say with the Nenka is the case. It's not as sturdy as you think. Maybe next time the company could actually fix the hinge here could be more strong, so it's actually now it's holding up. But if you open it like this and you leave it, it will close. So it doesn't, like for example the Motorola, when you open it, yes, it's closed, but if you there is another like stage that you got. See this? It's not gonna close anymore. This is the only downside I would say, the case thing. Other than that, this product is amazing. Now forget about the Xiaomi because this is the cheapest thing. I think they just made this as a prototype. They didn't, thought it would be great, but it's something that you could actually, not depend, just temporarily use, as to speak. That's it. Anyways, that's the conclusion, guys. Number one, Nenka. Number two and number three depends on what you like, Motorola or the Xiaomi, but I don't see anywhere. If you want to put the number two category is not here, probably go for the Samsungs or go for the Huawei. It's up to you. but I would actually rock the Nenka all the time because it's very very nice, it's very comfortable, and it's very accurate when it comes to the touch sensing and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. See you later.